It's early evening, and for most businesses across Europe, it's coming to the end of the working day. For DHL, the work has only just begun. By the time each of our customers returns to work in the morning, we'll have transferred hundreds of thousands of shipments overnight through our worldwide network and have them ready to be delivered. But, as you can imagine, it's not quite that simple. There are many potential challenges that will test the resilience of our people and the reliability of our operation. So each day, as shipments are collected in cities in every European country, we plan, prepare, and make sure that everything is ready. And as our customers finally go home, we go to work. The DHL European network, consisting of gateways, which are DHL airport and border terminals spread across Europe, where shipments leave or enter a country, and hubs, international sorting centres, which receive shipments from the gateways, sort them, and feed them back to the final destination. A shipment's route and schedule through the network. The transfer of electronic information around the network each night is the lifeblood of its ability to function, allowing customers round-the-clock real-time tracking of each individual shipment on the internet. It also enables accurate monitoring of shipment volumes, expected payloads, and transportation requirements. By the time shipments arrive at the various hubs, the operations are prepared and the team's ready to go. At the destination gateway. And the shipments, pre-cleared through customs, are sorted for delivery and are immediately on their way to the customer.
What is GIS? GIS stands for Geographical Information System. Simply put, GIS is a business information management system that helps us capture, analyze, and present spatial information on a map. GIS allows us to make better decisions using geography. What can GIS do for you? Every day, millions of decisions are powered by GIS. Retailers use GIS to pinpoint the best locations for new stores and stock items that match local customers' needs. GIS is used by the conservation organisations to predict the likely consequences of global warming. Utilities organisations use GIS to respond promptly and efficiently to reported power outages. Police forces use GIS to discover patterns in criminal activity and plan operations much more strategically. Resulting patterns and trends can then be seen on a digital map, much easier than viewing the data on spreadsheets. How does a GIS work? GIS software runs on computers, ranging from the most powerful server to software on your mobile phone. In a GIS, information about the real world is stored as a collection of thematic layers linked by geography. Each layer contains similar features, such as streets or rivers. People can then analyze geographic data using GIS tools and visualize geographic data as maps, graphs, or charts. Patterns and trends can easily be identified, so information that was previously buried in a spreadsheet now comes to life. Let me give you some examples. Retailers like Nike and Levi Strauss use GIS to avoid making costly mistakes when opening new retail locations. The Department of the Environment uses GIS to manage conservation in our national parks, maintain the biodiversity of our landscape, and preserve our national monuments and sites of architectural heritage. GIS helps the Department of Education to make sure they provide the right number of school places for children in the right location, that knowing where things happen matters to your business. Maps make sense, and using them, we can help you make sense of your geographic information. To find out how maps can make sense for you or your organization, contact
Sean?
Sense that the world is changing every day. As the leading logistics company worldwide, Deutsche Post DHL is a driver of change. At the same time, numerous factors impact our business, including technology, the environment, and changing social circumstances. Together with renowned experts, we pondered what the future may hold. This is how Logistics 2050 emerged. Join us on our journey into the year 2050. What will influence everyday reality then? To be prepared for the future and make the right decisions, we have to think in alternatives. Let's stretch our imaginations and look ahead. "2050, simply breathtaking. Over 9 billion people. 2050, a long green period for sustainable thinking and actions. Mega metropolises are centers of progress and pillars of global cooperation. But global urbanization has its downsides. Rural areas are left behind. Thanks to innovative and more efficient technologies, transport is more sustainable and much faster, for humans and for goods. 2050, our world is much more colorful, diverse, and local. Even in emergencies, an immediate reaction is guaranteed, since securing the supply